ó tún wá sílé tó mi gbà fún ẹ, ó tún wá sílé tí mo gbà fún ẹ, ó tún wá sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Mo tọ́jú ẹ, what I never give you, what I never give you. Ó dẹ̀ ń lọ́kọ̀kùnrin, ó ń lọ́kọ̀kùnrin. Ayé ti bàjẹ́. They play. Oh yeah, ti afa ńkọ́. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ta ló fẹ́ pè? Oh, lẹ́nu bàtà ti pè. Now, come on, shut up, John. What's in here? Why you go come your house? Why you go come your house? Now, why you go come your house? Why you go come your house? Now, need there. Come on, boy. Now, okay.
Greetings according to your time. I'm very, very sure you're listening to that video. For those people that do not understand what they were saying, that young man's eyes has cleared, meaning his eye has opened. He is letting the world know that he was padlocked, meaning they used charm. Charm was used on him. He was padlocked for 1 year because he was in a relationship with the said young lady, and he was selling off his properties to pay bills for this lady. So on a good day, his eyes cleared. You know, a lot of people will say, you guys have come up. Does that thing really happen? Listen, life is deep. What you do not know, you do not know. And what you do not know, it might take you time to understand it. But the people that are going through it will tell you that such exists. Why some people see it as fairy tale. When I went through the comment section, people were like, you guys have started with this your prank. And a lot of people are saying it is not prank. This guy's eyes has cleared. You know, there are always so many stories, you know, that people, when they see themselves doing what they never wanted to do, they start asking, how did I find myself here? Let me know your